Hi there, today I'm going to show you how I did this broken porcelain doll look. First I'm using some soap to stick my brows to my face and then covering them with a stick foundation and setting it in place with some translucent powder. I'm using a blending sponge and white face paint to cover my entire face and neck. Then taking a light grey eyeshadow to set everything in place. To make my eyes appear bigger, I'm going to do a wing liner and then draw fake lower lash line and a fake iris in the color of my eye. I'm drawing some new eyebrows above my natural ones. Using black gel liner and a thin eyeliner brush, I'm drawing a big crack around my other eye and then some small cracks here and there to create the illusion of broken porcelain. Adding a little bit of blush on my cheeks. I'm sketching the flowers using a dusty pink eyeshadow and a flat eyeshadow brush. For the leaves I'm switching to a small detail brush and a greyish eyeshadow. I'm dipping into a liquid lipstick to define the petals. And then highlighting using white face paint for a three-dimensional look. Adding some falsies to complete the eye look and applying some red lipstick in the center of my lips. To complete the look I'm adding some flowers in my hair and a contact lens. I hope you like the finished look and happy Halloween!